weet niet.
Nee?
Oh, een beetje. Staat niet met.
Beetje gewoon ontslaan.
that's first stint done. I think I started in P7, came on track, and then we had a good strategy with the full course yellow to box for fuel. Overtook like 3 cars, which was proper fun. Had some really good battles with some cars. I think we finished the stint in P2. So I'm really happy with that. The team was very happy. So yeah, that's good. Car was quite okay. We had some issues with the brake. We'll see how the next session will go. It's raining right now when I boxed. The next driver is driving right now. So let's see where we will end up. Right, it's almost 10 o'clock. I just wanted to sleep, but I heard the news that we are out of the race. Yeah, I'm absolutely broken because we really had a chance for a podium, and yeah, our car crashed. I don't know what exactly happened, but I'm going to the team see what happened. Yeah, absolutely broken. This is endurance. We are back home. I just quickly wanted to explain what happened with the crash. So my teammate was driving really well in horrible conditions, and then suddenly there came a full course yellow and he didn't hear it on the radio. We lost connection with the radio somehow. There was a BMW driving really slow on one of the hardest parts of the track to see. He came with probably around 150 kilometers an hour, while the BMW was driving 60. So he crashed into the BMW. He had nowhere to go, and it was just very unfortunate. These things happen. Obviously, the team is very sad, and we are all quite sad about it. But yeah, we just have to continue. We've got 2 really important races coming up, and I really want to win the championship. So thank you all for the support, and also let me know what you think of this sort of POV style video. I really want to do it more. I think it's cool to see some behind the scenes. Yeah, just let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.